YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Tank Be Chopping, and today's video we actually gonna be doing an unboxing. Let's go. Alright guys, so check it out. If you're into these clippers as much as I am, if you follow these clipper companies like I do, then you'll know as well as I do that Babyliss Pro has been putting in work, right? They just dropped an app that basically lets you customize the clipper they have they got a bunch of different colors you can pick from, different blades you can pick from, and like I said, you basically customize the clipper and just make it your special customized clipper. It's called the CustomFX. So y'all know me, I'm a little extra. I had to give me a pair or two. Yes, I knocked off two. I just got them in today, so I'm finna unbox them. I'm finna show y'all how mine look, and I'm gonna show y'all what it comes with. Let's go. All right, there's the box right here. Finna open this bad boy up. Let's go. So when these clippers first dropped, I was really excited about them. Yeah, let's check them out. All right, so this says, congratulations on receiving your handcrafted Babyliss Pro CustomFX clipper, uniquely designed by you. Enjoy the world famous power, beautiful ergonomic design, and cutting performance of the advanced blade technology. So that comes in the box. Let's see what else they got. So we got this nice CustomFX clipper. Alright. I mean CustomFX sticker. I said clipper, but y'all know what I meant. Alright. And since I ordered early, I got me these right here. They came if you had the right discount code, you'd get you one of these. So since I ordered 2 clippers, guess what? It came with 2 of them. And they're like clipper koozies, so I'm gonna open this up. So real quick. So y'all see that? You basically need to put your clipper in here, especially if you're traveling. It's a good way to keep your clipper safe. You pop it open and boom, put it in there. Yeah, that's it. So I got me 2 of those. And then, if y'all wondering what this is a Fanny Pack. So let me open this up real quick. So yeah, that's the Fanny Pack it comes with also. And remember, I said I got that because I ordered early and I used the discount code, and I got 2 of these clipper koozies and 2 of these Fanny Packs. Now we got the good stuff right here. So I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see that? How y'all like that? Y'all see that? Yeah. Okay. That's one of them. And I'm gonna give y'all a better look right now. Y'all give me a second. But that's one right there. And then, hold up. Yeah. Let's take a better look at these. All right, so there's one. And I feel like this is the official Tank Be Chopping clipper right there. And then we got this one. And I don't know, man, I was really feeling the lime green and the pink, and then I added the blue on it and it came out nice. Yeah, that's what I did. So I'm gonna open these up and we're gonna look at what comes inside the actual box. Yeah. The official Tank Be Chopping clipper, and the reason why I say that is it's the same colors as my logo. You know what I'm saying? A little different, but y'all know what I was going for. See, I take that out there. I'm gonna open this box up. And I ain't gonna turn the clipper on because y'all know I'm a big believer of letting my clippers charge before I turn them on. But we're gonna take this out the box. Check that out. Step back a little bit so I can see that. So I got me the graphite taper blade on this one. Y'all see that? I got me the blue and red. I got the graphite taper blade. And the reason why I went with the graphite blade is I just like the way it cuts. It cuts a little better to me. And so yeah, that's why I went with the graphite blade on this one. And I wanted one with the taper blade, so that's why I got this one. So let's see what else is in this box. All right, so you get like all Babyliss Clippers, you get a set of guards. I use my universal guards, but yeah, it's good to have a set of guards. You get a nice little charger, and I'm probably gonna throw my Tune 45 power clip on these. Get some oil, and then let's see what's under here. And then you just get the little operating manual. Oh, it's upside down. But yeah, but y'all know how I feel about this, right? We'll just chunk it over like that. All right, so that's everything in my official Tank B chopping clipper. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna open up my other one. Now I don't have a name for this one yet. I ain't got a name yet. But if y'all have a name for this, go ahead and if y'all have an idea for a name for this, go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll name it that. But yeah, let's check it out. So as y'all know, oh, you know what? I didn't even show y'all the best part, man. Look, check it out. Look, CustomFX, made for Tankzilla. The day it was created, and Dennis Joseph made it for me. Shout out to that boy Dennis with Babyliss, man. They're making moves. So yeah, it says the same thing on this one as y'all can see, but let's open it up. And I'm not gonna go through everything what's in the box because it's got the same stuff in it, but I'm just gonna take it out the box and show y'all real quick. All right. So this is the other one right here. I like this one a lot, man. I was really feeling this, like I said, I was really feeling these colors, and I just went ahead and just said, yeah, let me do a clip with these colors, and I like it. So this one is different from the other one because, as you can see, the blade is slightly different. This is actually a fade blade, but it is a graphite blade, and like I said, I got the graphite blades because I just like the way the graphite blades cut. Personally, you know, like maybe not everybody likes them the way I do, but I just feel they cut through the hair a little better. They just work a little better for me, so that's why I went ahead and went with the graphite blades. But y'all check out this clipper. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Like I said, if you got an idea for a name for this clipper, go ahead and drop it down in the comments below, and I appreciate it, and I will name it that if you got a good name. So yeah, these are my 2 custom clippers that I made from Babyliss Pro. The CustomFX, I got me 2 of them. Everyone always says I'm a little extra when it comes to these clippers, and I ain't even gonna lie, I am. But hey, I like them. I like the colorways that I went with on them. As you can see, they got different blades on them. I don't know if y'all can see if the camera's focusing or not. But yeah, the 2 different blades. This one's fade blade, and this one's taper blade. They both gonna get put to use. Not today, cause I ain't cutting today. But tomorrow, I'm gonna be coming in. I'm gonna be putting these bad boys to use. But yeah, guys, so those are the clippers. Y'all let me know if y'all like my clippers, man. Y'all make sure y'all like this video. If you haven't done so, stop what you're doing right now and just like this video. If you haven't done so, also make sure you subscribe. I'm on my way. I'm building, and like I said before, guys, once I reach 1,000 followers, or I'm sorry, 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so ASAP, because once I reach that 1,000, I'm gonna be giving away some barber supplies, barber tools. I don't know yet. I'm gonna be giving away something, a shaver, trimmer, something. So I'm looking over there because my station's over there. But yeah, so subscribe to this channel, please. I appreciate it. Y'all leave a comment below. Let me know how y'all like these clippers right here, and make sure you like this video, guys. And basically that's it, guys. I hope y'all like these clippers. Until next time, YouTube, I appreciate y'all.